Have you ever wondered how ice cream cones are made? These delightful, crispy vessels for our favorite frozen treats have been a staple of summertime enjoyment for over a century. The ice cream cone was first introduced at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904, revolutionizing the way we enjoy ice cream. Today, billions of ice cream cones are produced annually, satisfying sweet tooths around the globe. In this video, we will take a look at the ice cream waffle manufacturing process. We'll walk you through every step, from the sourcing of raw materials to the final packaging and distribution of these beloved confections. The journey of an ice cream cone begins with the careful selection and sourcing of high-quality ingredients. The primary components of ice cream cones are wheat flour, sugar, vegetable oil, and water. Additional ingredients may include salt, leavening agents, and sometimes flavorings or colorings. The wheat used in production is typically sourced from large-scale farms in major wheat-producing regions. In the United States, this often means states like Kansas, North Dakota, and Montana. European manufacturers might source their wheat from countries such as France, Germany, or Ukraine. The quality of the wheat is paramount, as it directly affects the texture and taste of the final product. Before being accepted for production, the wheat undergoes rigorous testing for protein content, moisture levels, and overall quality. Only the finest grains make the cut, ensuring a consistent and superior end product. Sugar, another crucial ingredient, is often sourced from sugar beet or sugarcane producers. The type of sugar used can vary depending on the manufacturer's preferences and regional availability. Some producers opt for refined white sugar, while others might use raw or brown sugar for a more distinct flavor profile. The vegetable oil used in production is typically a blend of oils chosen for their neutral flavor and stability at high temperatures. Common choices include soybean, canola, or sunflower oil. These oils are often sourced from large-scale producers and undergo refining processes to ensure purity and consistency. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. An interesting fact about ingredient sourcing is that some premium manufacturers have begun experimenting with alternative flours, such as rice or almond flour, to cater to gluten-free markets. This trend has led to new partnerships with specialty flour producers, expanding the range of raw materials used in production. Once the raw materials arrive at the manufacturing facility, they undergo a thorough cleaning and preparation process. The wheat flour, being the primary ingredient, receives particular attention. It is sifted through fine mesh screens to remove any impurities or foreign particles. This process not only ensures the safety and quality of the product, but also helps achieve a consistent texture in the final waffle. The sifting machines used in modern factories can process hundreds of kilograms of flour per hour, working tirelessly to maintain a steady supply for the production line. The sugar undergoes a similar cleaning process, often being dissolved in water and filtered to remove any impurities before being recrystallized or used in liquid form. This step is crucial for ensuring a smooth texture in the cone batter and preventing any grittiness in the final product. The vegetable oil is typically filtered and sometimes heated to remove any solid particles or impurities that may have developed during storage or transport. Water used in the production process is often purified through reverse osmosis or other filtration methods to remove any contaminants and standardize its mineral content. This attention to water quality might seem excessive, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining consistency in the batter and ensuring the best possible flavor and texture in the final product. With all ingredients cleaned and prepared, the primary processing stage begins. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into the crispy golden color we know and love. The process starts with the creation of the batter. In large industrial mixers, the flour, sugar, and other dry ingredients are combined. The oil and water are then added gradually, creating a smooth, homogeneous batter. The mixing process is carefully controlled, with specific timings and speeds used to achieve the perfect consistency. Too much mixing can lead to tough results, while too little can result in a non-uniform texture. Once the batter is prepared, it's time for baking. Modern production utilizes specialized baking machines that can produce thousands of cones per hour. These machines typically consist of a series of heated, waffle-shaped molds arranged on a rotating carousel. As the carousel turns, the batter is automatically dispensed into each mold. The filled molds then pass through a heating chamber where the batter is quickly baked at temperatures ranging from 180 to 220 degrees Celsius. The exact temperature and baking time vary, depending on the specific recipe and desired characteristics, but typically range from 45 to 90 seconds. This rapid baking process is crucial for achieving the right balance of crispiness and structural integrity in the cone. An interesting fact about this stage of production is that some high-end manufacturers use a two-stage baking process. The first stage partially bakes the waffle, while the second stage completes the baking and adds intricate patterns or textures to the cone's surface. This method allows for greater customization and can produce cones with unique designs or branding elements. As the cones emerge from the baking chamber, they are still soft and pliable. This is where the secondary processing stage comes into play. The newly baked produce is immediately removed from the molds and placed on cooling racks or conveyor belts. As they cool, they naturally harden into their familiar crispy texture. This cooling process is carefully controlled, with temperature and humidity levels in the cooling area monitored to ensure consistent results. During this stage, quality control measures are implemented. Trained inspectors or automated vision systems examine each waffle for defects such as cracks, uneven coloring, or incorrect shape. Any cones that don't meet the strict quality standards are removed from the production line. Some manufacturers also conduct random taste tests at this stage to ensure the flavor profile meets their specifications. For certain types of cones, additional processing may occur at this point. For example, sugar cones might receive a light sugar dusting for extra sweetness, while waffles could be dipped in chocolate or other coatings. Some producers also add flavorings or colorings to create specialty cones. These additives are carefully measured and applied to maintain consistency across batches. With the cones now fully formed and quality checked, the packaging process begins. This stage is crucial not only for protecting the delicate waffles during transport, but also for maintaining their freshness and hygiene. The packaging area in a factory is typically a controlled environment with strict cleanliness protocols to prevent any contamination. Most ice cream waffles are packaged in stacks, with the number per package varies based on the intended market, retail or food service. For retail packages, these are often stacked in groups of 8, 12, or 24. These stacks are then wrapped in clear plastic film or placed in cardboard boxes. The plastic wrap serves multiple purposes. It keeps the waffles fresh by providing a barrier against moisture and odors. It allows customers to see the product, and it keeps the stack intact during handling. For bulk packaging destined for ice cream shops or food service operations, larger quantities of these are often packed in corrugated cardboard boxes. These boxes are designed to provide maximum protection during shipping, while also being easy to open and access in a busy ice cream parlor setting. Some manufacturers use specially designed plastic trays within these boxes to provide an extra layer of protection for the fragile cones. The packaging process itself is often automated, with machines capable of stacking, wrapping, and boxing thousands of cones per hour. These machines use sensors and precision controls to handle these gently, minimizing breakage. After packaging, each unit is weighed to ensure accuracy, and a date code or lot number is applied for traceability. Once packaged, the waffles move on to the storage and distribution phase. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality and crispness of the product. Most manufacturers store their packaging in climate-controlled warehouses. The ideal storage conditions for ice cream cones are cool and dry, typically around 15 to 20 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 50 to 60%. These conditions help prevent moisture absorption, which could make the waffles soggy, and protect against heat damage that could cause the product to become brittle. Large manufacturers often have multiple storage facilities strategically located to efficiently serve different markets. These warehouses use sophisticated inventory management systems to track stock levels, product rotation, and shipping schedules. The first-in, first-out principle is strictly adhered to, ensuring that older stock is shipped out before newer production. When it comes to distribution, ice cream cones present unique challenges due to their fragility. Shipping containers and trucks used for transporting are often equipped with special racks or compartments to prevent the boxes from shifting or being crushed during transit. Some high-end producers even use temperature-controlled vehicles to maintain optimal conditions throughout the journey. The distribution network for ice cream cones is truly global. Major manufacturers ship their products to countries all around the world, with some companies producing over 1 billion annually. This global reach requires careful logistics planning, including consideration of different climate conditions and import regulations in various countries. An interesting fact about distribution is the seasonal nature of demand. In many regions, ice cream cone sales spike dramatically during the summer months. Manufacturers and distributors must carefully forecast these seasonal fluctuations to ensure adequate supply without overstocking. Some producers ramp up production and storage in the cooler months to prepare for the summer rush. The next time you enjoy an ice cream cone, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has been on. From fields of wheat to state-of-the-art factories, from careful baking to meticulous packaging, every cone represents a triumph of culinary engineering. Whether it's a simple cake cone at a child's birthday party or an elaborate waffle at a gourmet ice cream shop, each one is the result of a fascinating and complex manufacturing process. The humble ice cream cone, often overlooked in favor of the frozen treat it holds, is truly a marvel of modern food production, bringing joy to millions of people around the world every day. If you enjoyed learning about how ice cream cones are made, don't forget to like the video, comment, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on food production.